Welcome to our updated guide on how to add your relationship status on Facebook. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to update your profile with your current relationship information. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your smartphone. Once you're in, look for the three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner of the screen. This is your menu button. Go ahead and tap it. Now that you're in the menu, you'll see your profile picture and name at the top. Tap on this to go to your profile page. Here's where the magic happens. On your profile page, you'll notice an Edit Profile button. Give that a tap. This will open up all the different sections of your profile that you can customize. As you scroll down through your profile options, keep an eye out for the Details section. Once you find it, tap on Edit to open up even more options. In the Details section, you'll find various personal information fields. What we're looking for is the Relationship section. If you haven't added a relationship status before, you'll see an option that says Add Relationship Status. Tap on that. Now comes the fun part, selecting your relationship status. Facebook offers a variety of options to choose from, whether you're single, in a relationship, engaged, married, or it's complicated. You'll find an option that fits your situation. Once you've selected the status that best describes your current relationship, all that's left to do is hit that Save button. And just like that, you've successfully updated your relationship status on Facebook. Remember, you can always come back and change this information whenever you need to. Facebook makes it easy to keep your profile up to date with your life changes. Thanks for watching our updated guide on how to add your relationship status on Facebook. We hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks.